Cristiano Ronaldo, a name that echoes in every corner of the football world. From a small island in Portugal to the grandest stadiums on earth, Ronaldo's journey is a story of talent, determination, and sheer willpower. Today, we explore why Cristiano Ronaldo is considered a living legend of modern football. Born on February 5, 1985, in Madeira, Portugal, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro showed early signs of passion and skill. At just 12 years old, he left home to join Sporting CP's academy, training intensively while living away from his family. His dedication and speed quickly caught attention. Scouts saw not just a player, but a future superstar. Ronaldo's professional career is a testament to his greatness. He debuted for Sporting CP in 2002, impressing with his skill and flair. Then came Manchester United in 2003. In 6 years, he won 3 Premier League titles, lifted the UEFA Champions League, and earned his first Ballon d'Or. In 2008, he was known for his incredible speed, signature free kicks, and unstoppable determination. In 2009, he moved to Real Madrid, where his legend grew even larger. In just 9 seasons, he scored an astonishing 450 goals in 438 matches, a club record that seems almost unbreakable. He won 4 more Champions League titles and became the highest scorer in Real Madrid's history. Next, he conquered Italy with Juventus, winning 2 Serie A titles and continuing his record-breaking streak. A brief but memorable return to Manchester United in 2021 reminded the world of his enduring skill, scoring crucial goals in every major competition. And now, at Al-Nassr in Saudi Arabia, he continues to shine, proving that for him, age is just a number. Ronaldo's influence extends far beyond club football. He debuted for Portugal in 2003 and quickly became the nation's all-time top scorer. He led his country to glory, winning the UEFA European Championship in 2016 and the UEFA Nations League in 2019. He's not just a player. He's a symbol of national pride for Portugal. His career is packed with records and accolades: 5 Ballon d'Or awards, over 800 career goals, the all-time top scorer in the UEFA Champions League, and multiple league titles across England, Spain, and Italy. Known for his legendary fitness, discipline, and longevity, he's still playing at the absolute top. His work ethic, focus, and professionalism make him a role model for millions worldwide. So why is he called a legend? Cristiano Ronaldo is more than goals and trophies. His dedication is unmatched: the long training hours, the strict diet, the relentless mental focus. His impact inspires young athletes globally. His legacy is that of a player who transcends clubs, nations, and generations. To this day, fans call him the GOAT of modern football, and his records just keep climbing. From Madeira to the biggest stages on earth, Cristiano Ronaldo's journey proves that talent combined with determination equals greatness. He is, without a doubt, a living legend, inspiring millions every single day. Follow for more stories of football's greatest.